Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO F5 and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates. At first open the settings, then find and select General and here enroll developer options. Enter the security code Okay, it was some typo. U, I guess. Hopefully it's a proper one now. Okay, so once you're in developer panel, just go back a bit and here you will notice auto system update. Mark it, and that's it. From now on, it is on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.